If you encounter billing errors on Walgreens Express, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Review your receipt. Check your receipt for any discrepancies between the items purchased and the charges listed. Make sure to note any specific errors such as incorrect prices or missing items. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documentation, including your receipt, any promotional offers, and your account information. This will help you present a clear case when contacting customer service. Step 3. Contact customer service. Reach out to Walgreens Express customer service through their official website or phone number. Provide them with the details of the billing error, including your documentation. Step 4. Follow up. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If the issue remains unresolved after following up, consider escalating the matter to a supervisor or filing a formal complaint through Walgreens official channels. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve billing errors on Walgreens Express.